I live with my family. I live with my family. My type of house is a flat. My type of house is a flat. My house is in the city. My house is in the city. In the house, I have a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a study. In the house, I have a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a study. In the bedroom, I rest and sleep. In the bedroom, I rest and sleep. In the bathroom, I wash and get ready. In the bathroom, I wash and get ready. In the kitchen, I cook and prepare my food. In the kitchen, I cook and prepare my food. In the living room, I relax and watch TV. In the living room, I relax and watch TV. I work in the city. I work in the city. So I go to work by bus. So I go to work by bus. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I help you learn. I help you learn. I teach people. I teach people. And I work in a school. And I work in a school. My friend works in the countryside. My friend works in the countryside. So he goes by car. So he goes by car. He works as a farmer. He works as a farmer. My brother is a police officer. My brother is a police officer. He solves crimes. He solves crimes. Catches criminals. Catches criminals. Protects people. Protects people.